Hey guys, Sydney here. So color correcting and color grading are very important, but if your skin tones don't look accurate, then it's gonna throw people off. And the way to dial in accurate skin tones is by using the Vectorscope. So we're gonna take a look at this project, and for the most part, the colors look great, other than my skin. It looks a little greenish to me, and so we're going to fix that by using the Vectorscope as our guide. All right, first things first, we wanna isolate the skin so that we can see where our colors are at. So let's go to our effect controls. Select the pen tool, and we're going to create a mask around this section in my forehead. And we're going to take a look at our Vectorscope over here. So this line is called the skin tone line. According to this, my skin kind of falls a little off from the skin tone line. It veers towards more the yellows and greens, where it should be more towards the reds. And so to fix that, we're going to go to our curves. We're going to go down to hue versus hue, select our eyedropper, and select a point on my skin. And then down over here, it's going to identify those values, and we want to push this specific color value towards the reds. And as I do that, I'm going to take a look at my Vectorscope, and I see that it is on the skin tone line. Great, so now we're going to go take off the mask. Let's see what it looks like before. Oh yeah, that's definitely green. And now after. Oh, much better. Well, that's it for this video. Hopefully this tip helps you get your skin tones right. And also, make sure to watch all the other videos in this series to help you better edit your videos.